Did you know a CIA scientist was thrown out of a window to keep him quiet? Frank Olson was a biochemist working on some of the most classified programs in American history. Aerosol weapons, mind control experiments, things the government was not supposed to be doing. In November 1953, his CIA handlers slipped LSD into his drink without telling him. He had no idea what was happening to him. 9 days later, he was dead on a New York City sidewalk, 13 floors below his hotel room. The CIA called it suicide. His family never believed it. 40 years later, they had his body dug up. Forensic scientists found a blunt force wound to his skull that had nothing to do with the fall. The evidence suggested he was already unconscious before he went through that window. But here is the part that matters most. In the weeks before he died, Olson had personally witnessed CIA field experiments on people who had no idea they were being tested. He had seen too much, and someone knew it.